Dr. Nakama is just a fabulous employee, a fabulous individual. She's absolutely amazing. She is a coordinator by title, but she takes coordination to a whole nother level. Over the last 4.5 years, I've just seen Dr. Nakama shine in how she serves our students. She really takes the district's mission of ensuring that we have an equitable education for all students, even our students who have moderate and severe disabilities, to make sure that they're ready to have viable career path or college and career ready.
My name is Sharon Nakama. I'm the coordinator of special education for the moderate to severe and low incidence programs. And this is my 7th year working with the district. I believe that knowing the students that I'm serving that have the most significant disabilities really motivates me, and our teachers and instructional assistants who work so hard on a daily basis serving our students, knowing that they need my support and the support from our sub-office, I think is really a motivator for me to be at work every day. Collaboration is key. In my position, I'm working with administrators, site administrators, district administrators, teachers, instructional assistants, and our program specialists. And the collaboration between all of those positions help make my position stronger in being able to work together more effectively as a team.
She really has that gift of pulling things together, pulling people together, and just making events or programs just exceptional. And she is just such a great representation to Moreno Valley, and I just absolutely love working with her.